Now, exercise 9.2, lesson number 8, question 1. Find the product of the following pairs of monomial. Friends, here two monomials are given when we need to find the product of means multiplied. So 4 multiplied by 7 multiplied by p. So 4 sevens are 28 p. Clear? Same way 4 minus 4p multiplied by 7p. So minus 4 and 7. So minus 28. 1 prime p, 2 time p means p square. Here 4 7 are 28, that will be minus 28, and p 2 times means p square q. Now 4 3 are 12, but it is negative, one of the term is negative, so minus 12 p raised to 3 plus 1 p, this one, so p raised to 4. Same way any number raised multiplied by 0, we get 0 as the product. Now question number 2. They are asking us to find the area of rectangle with the following pairs of monomial and their length and breadth respectively. Suppose this is given as a length p and breadth q. So we know the formula, area of rectangle is equal to how much? L into B. So P multiplied by Q, that will be PQ. Same way over here, length is equal to 10m and breadth is equal to 5m. So area of rectangle is equal to L into B, means length multiplied by breadth. So 10m minus 5m. 10 5s are 50. M means m square. Whenever we are finding the product, the variables also get multiplies, and in this case same variables, the power gets added. So 1 plus 1, it will be m2, m square. So here also same procedure. Length is equal to 20x square. Breadth is equal to 5y square. So area of rectangle L into B, that is 20x square multiplied by 5y square. So 20 into 5, that will be 100, x square and y square. So this is the three different answers or area of rectangle. Question, so fourth and fifth is our homework. Clear? We can proceed further for question number 3. Here in this question number 3, they have given us a table this tabular form. We need to solve this. Okay, so first monomials are given here, and here also monomials, horizontal and vertical two rows are given. So the combination of these two is 2 2, means we have to multiply this and fill this detail. So 2 2s are 4, x into x, x square. Same way I can fill this one. So this combination is 2 5s are 10, but minus 10, here x and y. Same way this two, 3 2s are 6, x2 plus 1, that will be 3 power. Same way 4 2s are 8, but minus 8, x 1 power, 1 power minute will be 2 y. Same way 7 2s are 14, x2 plus 1 3, so 14 x raised to 3 y. Same way this two, 9 to the 18, so minus 18, x 2 plus 1 means 3 power and y 2 power. Same way you can do for this also, the combination of this column. आप पहले ये से भी solve कर सकते हैं. Clear? So orally I will start and solve this question number 3 of 9.2. 5 to the 10 but minus 10 xy. Then 5 5 is 25 and minus minus it will become plus, so 25 y square. Here with 3, so minus 3 5 is 15 x square y. Here 4, so minus minus it will become plus, so 4 5 is 20 x y square. Now 7 5 is 35 but minus 35 x 2 y 2. 9 5 is 45, minus minus it will be positive, 9 5 is 45 positive, x square y raised to 3. Similarly for this numbers, 3 to the 6 x raised to 3, 2 or 1 x यहाँ का. Then same way for 3 5 is 15 x square y but minus, so 3 3 is 9 x 2 or 2 power remains x raised to 4. Then 3 4 are 12 but minus 12 x raised to 3 y. 7 3 are 21 x raised to 4 y. 3 9 are 27 but it will be minus 27 x raised to 4 y square. Same way you can fill up this 2 also. 4 and 2. 4 2 are 8 but minus 8 x square y. Same way this भी अभी ये भी फॉल्व कर लेते हैं. 5 से 4, 5 4 जा 20 x y square और माइनस माइनस तो प्लस हो गया. Then 5 3 4 3 minus 4 3 जा 12 x 3 y. Minus 4 4 जा 16 तो पॉजिटिव 16 तो 16 x square y square. इसका भी 1 1 x और इसका भी 1 1 मीन्स टोटल 2 हो जाएगा. 7 4 जा 28 minus 28 x raised to 3 y square. Same way over here, 7 4 9 are 36 minus minus plus तो positive 36 x का 2 plus 1 तो 3 power, y का 2 plus 1 तो 3 power. Same way you can fill up these two columns also by your own as a practice. Clear? So this is left for you for doing practice. Now question number 4. Obtain the volume of rectangular box with the following length, breadth and height respectively. So volume of a box means we know that it is length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. So considering these three different values, so volume of box is equal to L into B into H. That means 5a multiplied by 3a square multiplied by 7a raised to 4. So we can do the multiplication of these three and get the answer. Can you? करके दे सकते हो? This way. 5 3 जा 15, 15 7 जा how much? ढूंढ के लाइए और आंसर को फिल कीजिए. Same way, volume of box L into B into H. So 2P into 4Q into 8R. So here also you will get the answer. Again, volume of box L into B into H is equal to xy multiplied by 2x square y multiplied by 2xy square. So combination of all this, you will get the answer. Same way over here, volume of box is equal to L into B into H. So A multiplied by 2B into 2C. So 2 2s are 4 ABC, 4 ABC. So 1 I have solved. अगर 3 आप ही ढूंढेंगे for your practice. We will do question number 5 next.